Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone doing well. In this video we're gonna talk about how to buy points with IMF token in addmefast sites. And before we started, I hope you click at the like button if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I want to reach 100 subscribers, so if you want to support me, you just subscribe to the channel and I will appreciate your supports. So let's get started with explication. So first of all, you need to have a Kiwi browser, like I said at the last video. You just need to have Kiwi browser if you are using a phone, and if you are using a PC, it's just the same steps. You just need to enter any browser you want. First we go to the addmefast site, and before that, sorry, you just need to add the MetaMask extension to your Kiwi browser. How to do that, I explained that in the last video, so if you want to know how to do that, you just go at the first comments, and you will find the link of the video that explain how to add the MetaMask extension to Kiwi browser. Like this, you will add the MetaMask extension like this. This is MetaMask extension. So I explained that in the last video. Just watch the video and you will understand how to do that. Now guys, we go to the first step that we need to do. You just need to scroll down and choose an offer from this offers. Choose any offer you want. You just click right there, like here, get, and click at the 3 points on the top and scroll down and click at the MetaMask extension right there, and it will take us to the MetaMask extension. Just a little information, to buy points in addmefast site, you doesn't need to be a gold user to buy points in addmefast site with IMF token. You just need to have a MetaMask wallet and an IMF balance in your wallet and some BNB, so you can pay the gas fees of the transaction. That's all that you need to buy points from addmefast sites. This will show up. You just need to click next and connect. Now we connected the MetaMask extension with our with addmefast sites. We just go back to addmefast site. Now we choose an offer that we want to buy, like here, 3,500 points with 100 IMF token. If I want to buy this offer, I just need to click get and click here in the 3 points and scroll down and click here in MetaMask extension, and we just wait. Please guys, watch all the video from the beginning to the last, so you can understand everything, because I'm in the explaining of a video, I give information about something. So to get all information that you need, you just need to watch all the video. Like you see here, this contract will show up when you choose an offer that you want to buy. Now guys, like you see here, I need to pay 100 IMF token, and I need to pay 0.08 dollars in BNB, or 0.000271 in BNB. So I pay like gas fees of this transaction. If you need enough IMF token and enough BNB in your account, this will show up, confirm here, confirm, and you just need to buy the points. You just need to click on confirm, and the IMF token, it will token from your MetaMask wallet, and you will receive the points in your addmefast site. I'm not gonna buy the point. I just click reject. This is just for explaining how to do that. And now I will see you something that everyone need to know. Like here, if I want to buy 30,000 points with 1,050 IMF token, like click here, like I said, click here and here. So like you see here, this will show up. I can't do this transaction. Why? Because I don't have enough IMF token in my balance. If you don't have IMF token in your balance or enough BNB in your balance, so you can do the transaction or pay the gas fees of this transaction, this will show up insufficient funds, and the confirm button, it not will show up. So that's it. If you don't have enough IMF, or if you don't have enough BNB, you can't do the transaction, and this will show up. Total is $100 you need to pay. So this is a problem. A lot of people having this problem when he gets by when he want to buy points. He will find this problem and he doesn't know why. This is why. If you don't have enough IMF or enough BNB, this will show up and you can't do the transaction. I just need to click reject, and go back to addmefast site. So guys, this is how to buy points in P2P trade section. There is another section that you can buy points on it, in buy point section, right here in buy point section. And this section is expensive than the P2P trade section. To buy from this section, you just need to follow my steps. You just need to click at the buy point and click here in this bar, and it will take you to the tip menu in here. And when you buy from this section, you will get a double points. Like if you buy 200 points with 100 IMF token, you will get 400 points, not 200 points. Like he will, the addmefast site, he will give you 200 points like a bonus. So how to buy points in this section? You just need click, you choose the offer that you want to buy. You just click and click at the 3 points in the top and scroll down and click at MetaMask, and it will take us again to the MetaMask extension. So these guys will show up. You just need to click confirm to get the points, and IMF token, it will be token from your account. You will receive your points. If you don't have IMF token, I repeat, if you don't have IMF token, enough IMF token or enough BNB, you can't do the transaction. I just need to click confirm and the transaction will be confirmed. I don't want to buy IMF points now. I just need to click reject, or I'll be back to addmefast sites. Now this is the video, guys. I talked about how to buy points in P2P trade, and talk about how to buy points in buy points section. So guys, before I end this video, I just want to talk about my Telegram channels and talk about my service. So anyone want to swap his, I can help you with that, because a lot of people doesn't know how to do that, and a lot of people struggling how to convert his INF token to real money. I can help you. How can I do that? I can sell you BNB, so you can pay the gas fees of the transaction that you need to do to swap your INF token to real money. So anyone want to order or want to ask about my service, you just contact me in my Telegram. I will leave my Telegram channel link in the first comment. You just check at the first comment and you will find all the links of my two Telegram channels. Just go to my Telegram channel and put your question here. Any question you want to ask, you just put it here and I will respond fastly. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope to like the video and subscribe to my channel, because I will put more videos about addmefast sites, and in the future I will put more videos about how to make money online on general, not just addmefast site. So subscribe to the channel to get all the news of my and all the new video of my channel. Thank you for watching and see you later.